Next, we are going to make gel tints or semi-gel tints. Gel tints are very similar to water tints, except that it contains a thickener. So you might ask, why use thickener while we can use water tint? The answer is purely personal preference. There's a saying that we can't please everyone with whatever we do. It is the same with skincare products and same scenario with your tints. Some people prefer water tints. Maybe they want the easy spreadability property of water tints. Most of the teenagers prefer lipsticks compared to tints. Others don't. So now let me show you how to make one. First, you make the thickener. Dilute the xanthan powder to your warm water and set it aside for a few hours until it becomes translucent. You'll just have to measure carefully all your water-soluble ingredients and follow the whole procedure found on your module. Then the process goes by similar to water tints. First, dilute your FD&C colorants to glycerin. Never use tap water, for it may contain minerals that can destroy the quality of your tints. Add the flavor and sweetener and mix it well. Add xanthan gum. Once again, you can add hydrosols or actives such as aloe vera and collagen. It's all up to you and your budget. In addition, you can tweak your formulation. If you want thinner consistency, you can decrease your xanthan gum content and increase water content. Likewise, if you want it thicker than this output, add more xanthan gum. Add 0.01 to 0.05% at a time. So we are done. Let's pour this in the container, stick labels in it, seal it, and voila! You are ready to use your semi-gel tint or give it as a present or trade it to your family and friends.